all of the signal will remain in this positive quadrant, or in the Y direction that's positive. So I'm going to put it onto AC coupling, and we can see we've got a square wave. Now, the scope itself said that this voltage will be 0.2 volts peak to peak. So what we like to do is adjust the amplifier here, the volts per division, until we get maximum signal on the screen without losing the signal. So I'll turn the knob. That's too much. I lost the signal. That's good. And it turned out to be 50 millivolts per division. 50 millivolts per division. So 50, 100, 150, 200 millivolts. And by the way, 0.2 volts is the same as 200 millivolts. So this is looking pretty good. Good signal. Next, we should adjust the time base so we can see one full waveform. So I'll turn my time base, and this is called slowing it